Good morning, Shua. Welcome to Blue Stars Higher Secondary School. This is online class for 11th standard commerce. Last class we have discussed about cooperative organization. In that we have discussed about meaning, definition, features, advantages, and principles. Like that we are discussed in the last class. Today class we are going to discuss about disadvantages of cooperative organizations. There is a many advantages for cooperative organizations. For what purpose we have started or based on the people to develop the people we have to give for a low price. Even though we have the more advantages, there will be some disadvantages in cooperative organizations. In cooperative organizations, there is a various form of disadvantages. Let us see one by one. First one is a limited fund. To start at the business, already we are know that we need a large number of huge capital we needed. So, in cooperative organization, there is a limited liabilities. So there will be a fund also in low. That is, we did not have a huge capital. We have only a limited capital. In limited capital, we cannot be expand our business for a various region. The setup of a cooperative society will located at in a particular area. We cannot be developed the every organization. So limited capital is a main drawback or main disadvantages for a cooperative society. Cooperative society have a limited membership and all are protected by the weaker section. The membership fee collected is low. Therefore, the fund is available with a cooperative or limited. The principles of one man, one vote or limited dividend also reduce the enthusiasm for members. These are the limited fund. Then, overruns of a government fund. Cooperative society are not able to raise their own resources. Their resources are financial unlimited and they are depend upon a government fund. They are finding the amount of funds that would be released by the government or uncertainty. Therefore, the cooperative are not able to plan the active in a right manner. In sense means we cannot be depend upon a government fund. Government fund நம்பி நம்மளால எதையுமே think பண்ணவே முடியாது. So we have to think over on the basis of the fund which has been provided by the themselves members. There is a main drawback. Next, imposed by the government. The southeastern countries cooperative society were voluntary started by the weaker section. The objective is to improve the cooperative society to set up and provide themselves for expression of a business. But in India, the cooperative movement is initiated by the established by the government. In various countries, the government is not accepted the cooperative movement. This is the main drawback. Next, benefit of rural rich. The cooperative benefits the rural rich not to be a rural poor. The rich people are elected themselves and managed and committed for a manager that affecting of the cooperative for their own benefit. The agriculture provides the small farms in the just the sufficiency to fill their needed for their business. The rural rich are only getting the benefit. The rural poor are not getting benefit in a cooperative society. So it is a major disadvantages for the cooperative society. Next, inadequate rural credit. Inadequate rural credit, its sense means they provide the adequate and rural credit. The Cooperative society gives a loan only to the productive purpose, not for the personal or family expenditure. Therefore, the rural poor continue their dependence of the money lender for meeting their expenses for marriage, medical, social community, etc. Cooperative have not been successfully freeing the rural poor clutch the money lender. ரூரல்ல புவர் பீப்புள் எல்லாருமே யாரை டிபெண்ட் பண்ணி இருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா வெறும் மணி லெண்டரை தான் என்ன பண்றாங்க டிபெண்ட் பண்றாங்க. ஏன் மணி லெண்டரை டிபெண்ட் பண்றாங்க அப்படின்னு பார்க்கும் பொழுது they are independent, they are dependent because the government did not provide for the loan for their own personal things. They provide for the productivity for business purpose only. Society were giving their loans for marriage, for any medical expenses. They depend upon for a only money lenders. It is a big disadvantage. Next, lack of managerial skills. Cooperative society are managed by the managerial communities and elected by the members. The members of the managerial community, they do not have the required qualified skills and expertise. Since it has been limited by the financial resources, it is able to be compensated for and employees is also a limited. Therefore, it cannot be a employee the best talent. The lack of managerial skill is a result in inefficiency of management, poor functioning, and difficulties in achieving the objectives. These are the managerial skill which can be easily developed. The financial resources, there is a limited financial resources. So they cannot be have the capacity of managerial skills and resources. It is a big drawback for the resources. Government intervention. Cooperative society are subjected to execute the government regulations which affects their autonomous and flexibility. According to various regulations take up the much of managerial times and effort. These are the government intervention. They are flexible. They are getting the regulations of and misuse of fund. If the member of the managerial communities or corrupts, they are substituted the funds for a cooperative societies. Many cooperative societies have faced the financial troubles and closed down their because of corruption and misuse of funds. This is the reality. Based on the misusing of fund and corruption, many cooperative society has been closed. Next, inefficiency and leading their losses. Inefficiency. They are incapability and efficiencies in the society. A cooperative society is operated with a limited financial resources. Therefore, they cannot be require the best talent, acquiring the lost technology or adopted the modern management practice. They operated in traditional mode which has been not suitable for a modern business environment, therefore suffers a loss. The technology and operation is not available in their things. And lack of secrecy. There is a many members, so secrecy can be easily spread over to someone else. The secret cannot be properly maintained in their business. அப்போ நம்மளுக்குள்ள போடுற ரகசியங்கள் எல்லாருமே யார் மூலியமாவது வெளியே தெரிஞ்சிடும். அப்போ பிஸ்னஸ் சீக்ரெட்ஸி இருக்காது. ஒன்ஸ் பிஸ்னஸ் சீக்ரெட்ஸி இல்லை அப்படின்னு தெரிஞ்சாலே அந்த பிஸ்னஸ் டெவலப் ஆகிறதுன்றது கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமான விஷயம். ஓகேங்களா? நெக்ஸ்ட், conflict among the members. There should be a good relationship between among the members. If there is a conflict arise, when there is a conflict arise among the members, business cannot be properly run. அதாவது ரெண்டு பேருக்குள்ள, அதாவது மெம்பர்ஸ்க்குள்ள ஏதாவது ஒரு பிரச்சனையோ ஏதாவது ஒரு மனஸ்தாபமோ ஏற்பட்டதுன்னா அந்த பிஸ்னஸ் ப்ராப்பராக ரன் ஆகாது. அது கோஆப்ரேட்டிவ் சொசைட்டியில் கண்டிப்பாக ரன் ஆகாது. நெக்ஸ்ட், லிமிட்டெட் ஸ்கோப். இட் ஹாஸ் எ லிமிட்டெட் ஸ்கோப். இட் ஷுட் நாட் ஹாவ் த வைடர் ஸ்கோப். It has a limited scope. Cooperative society cannot be inclusive of all the industries. Its scope is limited. It only a certain areas for the enterprises. Since the funds are available or limited, they cannot be undertake the large scale of partnership. It is not suitable in the industries operating the large amounts. It is so limited. And last topic we are going to be see types of cooperative society. The cooperative society has the various types. And first one, consumer cooperative society. Consumer cooperative society, which means they want the better price and quality of goods and services for purchasing. It is a consumer cooperative society for providing them better goods and services whether they are consuming product or essential product like for example soaps, vegetables and essential foods, oil, edible oil likewise. These are the consumer cooperative societies. Consumer cooperative society, which means what are the things we are using in our day-to-day life activities, that is called as consumer cooperative society. They are have the content in a traditional retail. It is an cooperative society. Next, producers cooperative societies. Producer cooperative society means the product are being produced by the any producer. The cooperative society, they are giving, for example, for easily what we are going to know in Pondicherry, there is a Pontax. Pontax is a cooperative society. They use the quality priority, they do not give the price priority. Cooperative, producer cooperative are established by the operator by the producer. The producer can decide to work together or separate the entire to help the increasing in marketing possible and producing effectively. They are organized and process market and distribution their own product. This helps the lessons to lessons and swings in each area with a mutual benefit and each producer. For example, cooperative adding society, cooperative cooperating unit, cooperative matching factories. These are the cooperative factories and cooperative producers. இது எல்லாமே தான் cooperative societies ப்ரொடக்ஷன் இது எல்லாமே வந்து டெக்ஸ்டைலாக இருக்கலாம் இல்லை ஏதாவது ஒரு வேவிங்ஸாக இருக்கலாம் இல்லை காம்பட்டாக்ஸாக இருக்கலாம் இதுவுமே அடுத்தது marketing cooperative society. Already made I know that what is marketing to promotion of goods and services. This is an cooperative marketing. Cooperative marketing society or association of small producers and formed for the purpose of marketing of their product. The marketing cooperative is a performance of certain marketing functions such as grading, warehousing, advertising, etc. This secures a better price for a members by transforming the goods of even to distance market. Advance is also given to the member of against the producer and deposit within the society. This is a marketing of cooperatives. They are promoting the goods in the manner and credit cooperative societies. They are providing the short-term finance for the members. யாரெல்லாம் cooperative societies வச்சிருக்காங்களோ they are providing the loans and advances in short-term financial manner. Next, housing cooperative society. Housing cooperative society means they are giving for a housing loan 15 to 20 years loan provide பண்ணுவாங்க. The cooperative housing society are made the providing the residential accomplishment to the member on the own basis or rent. People who intimidated to build the houses for their own together and for housing society. These societies advances the loans to members repayable over a 15 to 20 years. Housing builds a society on other hand constructions of houses for their members. Instead of granting the loans and acquiring the constructions of the members. As a housing cooperative society. Next, cooperative farming society. It is only for a agriculture product and cultivating of product. When there is a various farms in the villages and fields and their lands and together the greater of whole price of a land of one big farm of a Purpose of cultivating. The purpose of necessity to input their cultivating on the market of crops of jointly. They are assumed to have the formed a cooperative forming of society. Such a society for proper working of elected for the benefit basis of one man, one vote. Cooperative farming society என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா full and full village oriented, cultivation oriented. இதுலையுமே membership இருக்கு. Everyone have the equal thing. And this is your assignment. Make note of your assignment. Materials given in the school website. Thank you to all. And thank you to all. Thank you.